this is the final time I'm trying today. So I'm really sorry for all the viewers for the delay. Let me check. Finally, I can see you.
Okay. Uh,
But it's
okay.
still loading. It's still loading.
Okay.
Just don't move, sit at one side only.
Okay. Fine.
Okay. So what should I do? Should I start or should we go at your live page or what?
You can
What can
proceed.
we
You can
do?
start. You can start.
Acha. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So first of all the viewers, she's a very nice nutritionist, and she will guide us some food regarding today to us. So we'll start. What are the good source of protein?
Okay. Uh, we get proteins from plant and animals. Okay. So
Okay.
plant protein. Okay. So plant protein includes pulses, including rajma, lentils, soya bean. Up among pulses, we have soya bean, which are high on protein. Okay. So
Okay.
next in plant protein, we have milk and milk products, poa and
Okay.
curd. And next
Okay.
is about uh, mm, nuts and oil seeds. Nuts and oil
Okay.
seeds, which including groundnut, your
Okay.
walnut, almonds, cashew nuts.
Okay.
So these are the plant proteins for people who don't eat non-veg. Now,
Okay.
the people who can eat both non-veg and plant protein. So animal protein includes fish, egg, meat, poultry. So these are the animal proteins which we get from animals. Now,
Okay.
one thing which I would like to add over here, intake of individually a protein is not enough. That to
Okay.
improve the quality of protein, we should have a combination with rice and dal. If you see, our Indian tradition follow this, which maybe
Okay.
we are not aware of why we are doing a combination of rice and dal. This is the reason. Rice and dal we take to improve the protein quality. Same goes with animal protein. If we go with animal protein and vegetable protein, it improves the quality of protein.
Okay. Okay.
So this
Okay.
way,
Great.
it gives it completes it helps the body to do the protein absorption in a right way.
Okay.
Yes,
Good.
that's it.
Okay. Very nice. What are the good and bad foods?
Wow, this question is really required for current generation. Yeah. So I will say a good food, e- as per my calculation, good food equal to positive vibes. Now,
Okay.
yeah. So we should include proper nutritional plate, including your fats, carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins, and minerals. Second thing,
Okay.
we should not make any choices. We should not have any choices when we eat food. We should have all types of food because we never know that what we are lacking in nutrients. So no choices in food. We should do. Okay. Now the benefit of good foods. So good foods act as a fuel. Good food protects you. It builds your personality. It acts as a defensive mechanism from foreign bodies. So this is what about good food. Now let's switch to bad foods. So for me, bad food is negative vibes. Why?
Okay.
Because processed foods contains high amount of salt, sugar, and fats. Mm,
Okay.
Processed packaged foods like junk food. We can have candy bars, processed meat, processed cheese. Then we have chocolates, cakes, and pastries with lot of sugar and many things. Many sucrose, fructose are included in that. So
Okay.
that will return us with a gift of diseases, right? So this is
Right,
what
right,
is
right.
the yeah, so that is the definition of a bad food. Now,
Okay.
I would prefer I would prefer that it is individual's choice where we should ensure that maximum percentage intake food should be a good food. And
Okay.
every individual is the king and queen of their own choices. It is their
Right.
lifestyle, it is their decision what they want. They want a healthy living or they want unhealthy living with lots of money and going to hospital.
Right, right, right.
That's it.
Right. There's a question from our viewer that why dal and rice not to eat together?
We should have dal and rice. It is our Indian tradition. I said we should have dal and rice.
Acha. Okay. Okay. Next question is how can fluids be added to a diet?
Okay. Uh, we can have fluids in many ways. Now, homemade fruit juices, and that should be seasonal. Then we should have a buttermilk. We can add soups, which can be of different variety. You can have tomato soups. You can have spinach. You can have a combination of soups. At the same time, you should have a milk twice a day. This is what we can have a fluid in our diet. And also, there is a new concept which has come up: detox water. The
Mm-hmm.
detox water includes vegetable content, fruit content, which enhances, and people who wants to do a detoxification, or those who are not liking just having a water, they will
Mm-hmm.
benefit of it. So they can take a sip of it in during a short intervals of time. Here
Okay.
also, yeah, here also I will say, when you are taking a fluid diet, don't do the shortcut of taking packaged food juices. No fruit packed juices, because they contains lot and lot of preservatives which impacts the body.
Okay.
Then whenever they are going out, either they can have sugarcane juice, they can have lemon with them, lemon water, they can go for that, and then they can have natural fruit juices out without sugar.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's
Great.
it from my side.
Very nice. How can fiber be added to a senior's diet?
Yes, I really appreciate this question. The reason behind is, senior citizens are in the phase of small babies. Like, their metabolisms are weak. In the same way, when people goes into 50 plus, their metabolism also goes on weakens, which impacts their which impacts their digestion mainly. Their bowel movement, they have a problem of constipation. They don't get complete nutrients, because if your metabolism is weak, your body will not, your cells will not able to extract all the nutrients. So in this case, we should include which ha- fiber which usually has a low calorie and fat, but it has lots and lots of vitamins and minerals, right? So which
Right.
helps senior citizens to improve their bowel movement, and also at this stage they are more prone to attack diseases, different type of diseases. Like even in
Right.
coronavirus also, COVID also, they should have these vegetables and fruits lot and lot, so that
Right.
their body should act as a defensive mechanism. And and one more thing is that when a senior citizen goes to 50 plus, they are more craving to have a
Right.
tasty food, still that. So for them, we have a very good recipes for them. So like when we can have a khichdi, we can have a veg khichdi, which is a
Okay.
combination of two types of dal or one type of dal with rice. And then we can have a combination of tomato, spinach with You can have a variety of veg khichdi using jeera and garlic tadka, adding to it, which will
Okay.
enhance the taste with curd.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
so this is what I talked about veg khichdi because most of the senior citizens play challenge of teeth challenge they are having it. Okay, sometimes they are facing lots of gastric problem and many things. So it body takes time to metabolize it. Okay.
Right, right,
Next thing
right.
is that yeah. So next thing is that chana dal, which we call as Bengal gram. It is made of besan chilla. Even in
Mm-hmm.
besan chilla also we can add more and more of vegetables, capsicum, carrot, tomato, onion, even ginger, garlic, which are very much useful for protecting them from diseases. Same goes with moong chilla. These two varieties also we can add. Then we can have brown rice with chola, with rajma. All these things they can intake. Now next
Okay.
thing is the fruits. Fruits. In fruits they can have seasonal fruits specifically for them. So for them, pear, papaya, apples, strawberries, and bananas, they can take with milk or without milk. If anybody is having milk intolerance, then they can go without milk also. But yes, nowadays chia seeds is a seed which is having more amount of fiber and calcium and vitamins in it. So they can add that chia seeds in their uh, juices, which will, and 1 tablespoon of chia seeds includes 34% of fiber. So
Okay.
that will help them a lot. Yes.
Okay. Good, good, good. And this like chole, rajma, and chana dal are gastric too. So how to cook
So
them?
that's why, yes. So that's why we are adding garlic, ginger.
Acha. Okay.
Ha, yes.
How important is vitamin D?
Okay. A natural gift of a sun. Nature's natural gift is the sun, which we get,
Mm-hmm.
and it vitamin D is a vitamin sunlight, which helps the body to absorb calcium. Suppose, imagine if you're not getting sunlight, your body will not absorb calcium. You are intaking lots of milk, you are intaking lots of calcium, but your absorption is not taking place. Deposition in bones are not taking place. So to to make this cycle work, we have to take a vitamin D, which helps to make our bones strong and healthy, as well as it is more important for strong teeth, which avoids tooth decay. If you see, maximum childrens are are facing the problem of tooth decay. The reason behind is calcium challenge. How many
Okay.
children are coming? How many children are coming out of the house and taking vitamin D? Not during lockdown, but before also. They are too busy with their studies and all. But yes, I will say vitamin D at least take 10 minutes to 15 minutes. Even if you are, if even for pregnant women also, it is more important because
Okay.
you are giving a birth to a child who are equally the development is taking place in
Right,
their
right,
womb.
right. Right, right, right. So evening like 5 or 4 o'clock sun rays is okay
No,
too? No. Early
no,
morning.
because yes, early morning. If you see if you have seen that, there is a reason behind that because the level of vitamin D goes down as the sun sets. That's why
Okay.
maximum if you want to, yeah. So the maximum when you want to benefit, you have to benefit from 7 o'clock to your 10 o'clock. I will prefer. So you have a 3 hours of time and only 15 minutes you need.
Okay.
That's it. And one thing
Good.
more, if you have seen, when a child is born, child has a jaundice. Why?
Why? I don't know. Hello? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Hello? Some net issue, I guess. And she was saying very nice and very good information. Hello?
Yes, yes, I'm there.
Yeah, finally can see you also now.
Even mild
Okay.
also. It's okay. It's natural. It's natural because the heat which they are having it inside, that because of that, it has the child is having a jaundice, and that's why we go and give the sunlight to them. A baby, the baby gets a sunlight, right? Even doctors prefer ke go 8 o'clock ka sunlight do, which heals the child.
Right, right, right.
Doctor will not tell you go at 4 o'clock and give.
Right. Right. So these are actually questions, I face.
Yeah,
So,
because people get scared, and there are many myths. When the child gets, you have eaten more amount of papaya. If you will express कि मैंने ना ये खाया, मैंने ना मैंगो बहुत खाया, हाँ इसके वजह से ही जॉन्डिस हुआ होगा, because you are having more amount of heat foods. No, nothing is like that. Body only knows what nutrients is going in. Body never knows क्या cool है क्या heat है. Nothing.
okay. Good, very nice. And here we reaches with our last question, that is, what's the importance of good nutrition?
Okay. See, good nutrition has lots and lot of topic. Reason behind this, good nutrition starts from the mother's womb till the child is born. Welcome to the new world, and then he survived till the old age, right? So the phases of good nutrition goes as per the age wise. But due to short of time, I will summarize it that what is good nutrition. So good nutrition leads to, actually this is a conclusion that good nutrition leads to healthy lifestyle. Good nutrition helps internal organs to function properly. Good nutrition helps us to deal with different challenges. It avoids different diseases like your obesity challenge, heart disease challenge, your irregular periods, your early menopause, your irregular periods. Even because of good nutrition, you can have a good height and weight, and your personality and everything, you will get it what you want. So,
Wow.
so uh, I would suggest we should. The best example is that when a woman is pregnant, more focus is given of good nutrition. Why? Because if pregnant women are not taking good nutrition, child can have a lots of deficiency. Brain development will be a challenge. There can be a challenge in internal organs. There can be a challenge in oesophagus. There can be a development will be improper. They can be deaf. There are many challenges they can face. So this is the
Okay.
best example which everyone should understand the importance of good nutrition.
Okay.
So next thing, this is what I talked about good nutrition with respect to pregnancy, because that is the way people will understand the importance. But then when we take good nutrition till our 20 years, so our body goes into maintenance phase. After 20 years, our body will not grow. It's very simple. Now our body is into maintenance phase. That's why our diet is different than 20 years back. After 21, our diet is different, and before 20, we can have anything what we can, right?
Right, right,
Because
right.
jitna proportion jitna chahiye, because our body is so strong in metabolism कि we can have as much as we want, but not after 25.
Right.
And simple, our body is like a tree. If
Mhm.
we give a proper water and nutrition to a tree, we will get mangoes. And if we are not, we will lead to a multiple disease,
Right, right, right. Very true.
right? Yeah.
Very nice.
And at the same time, good
Mm-hmm.
diet and physical activity will always lead to an healthy lifestyle demand.
Right. Very good.
That's it.
So, thank you so much for today's guidance, and it is really fruitful to understand the importance of food and nutrition and protein in our life. And I'll start में थोड़ा network issue था, but we are lucky to have you with so much of knowledge.
Thank you. Thanks for giving an opportunity, because I need that people should get lot and lot of awareness of good nutrition, and we should always say no to milk.
Right, right. Very good. Very nice. So in this lockdown, even you all please take care, viewers and everyone, regarding the food as well as your health. Just don't take stress. Stay healthy.
Yes. Even
Right.
good nutrition also helps to deal the stress.
Good. Right.
This is also because there are foods which helps to control the stress hormone,
Right. Right. Very
improves the
true.
concentration as well. So stress ऐसे ही चला जाएगा.
Very good. Very nice. So thank you everyone for joining today. Thank you, Hina, also for
Thank
giving us
you.
time. See you.
Bye.
Bye.